Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I love to get crafty. Today we're making a beautiful clay tulip. Let's get started. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a beautiful clay tulip flower. From shaping the petals to adding realistic details, I'll cover everything you need to know. This is a fun and easy project for beginners, so grab your clay and let's get started. As you can see, I took a stick covering it with green paper. I make the stick of the tulip flower, and then I take a little bit clay, and I'm making a little clay ball. Then I'm using a spoon to make the shape of tulip petal. First I'm making a tulip flower bud, and I'm adding the petals around the bud. Repeat the same process and make different colored tulips by using different color clay. Now I'm pressing a green color clay to make the shape of the tulip leaves. I have shown two methods. You can use what you love. Give some time to dry it, as super clay takes some time to get hard. Now our tulip flower is ready, guys. Grab a flower vase and put your tulip flowers in the vase. By the way, I made this vase by my own. I'll upload it in another day. Till then, stay tuned. Wait, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make new budget-friendly DIY craft videos for you. Okay, take care, bye-bye, Assalamualaikum.